we want to graph negative 8 over x minus 4, and we have a process that we go through. The first step in our process should be to find the y-intercept, and that means we plug in 0 for x, which gives me negative 8 divided by 4, or negative 2. Next is to find the x-intercept. In order to do that, we plug in 0 for x, or 0 for y, and solve. So if I've got 0 equals negative 8 over x plus 4, then we're going to end up with 0 equals negative 8, which isn't true. So there are no x-intercepts. All right. Next step is to find the asymptotes. So we're looking for the vertical asymptotes. Those are going to be wherever x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals negative 4. Horizontal asymptotes are going to be depending on what you're given. We know that the n is less than m because x to the 0 power and x to the first power. So therefore we have y equals 0 plus k. There is no k value. So right now the last thing we have to do is plot some points. So let's fill in what we know so far. Y equals 0 has to be an equation. Is it symmetrical to the origin? If we plug in negative x, we're going to have not the exact opposite. So therefore there is no symmetry. And notice that I put in, sorry you guys, this should have been, there's no symmetry at all. None. Okay, x-intercepts, y-intercepts, sorry, is going to be negative 2. X-intercepts are none. Vertical asymptotes are going to be x equals negative 4, and horizontal is going to be y equals 0. So let's do that. There's my y equals 0. Okay, you've got an x-intercept at negative, a y-intercept at negative 2. So now we've got to plot a point at, so let's test at negative 5 and negative 3 just to test it out. Negative 8 divided by negative 5 plus 4 is going to be negative 1 or 8. So that one's going to be way up here someplace off my graph. Negative 3 is going to be negative 8 divided by positive 1 or negative 8. That's going to be way down here someplace off the graph. So these graphs are going to do this. And we're done.